At its launch, the Inspire 1 was a revolution. It turned tens of thousands of people into aerial filmmakers and now appears on professional film sets around the world. The Inspire 2 builds on this foundation, empowering filmmakers to be more creative than ever, whether flying as a team or operating as a single pilot. A dedicated 2-axis stabilized FPV camera with independently adjustable pitch gives the pilot a personal live feed, freeing the camera op to move any way they need to get the shot. Top speed is boosted to 58 miles per hour, 94 kilometers per hour, and ascent and descent is also accelerated. This speed doesn't come without protection. DJI's unmatched flight autonomy system comes to the Inspire 2, bringing with it an extended range of close to 100 feet, meaning faster flight with protection from what it can see. It also adds an infrared sensing system placed on top of the Inspire, extending obstacle avoidance to obstructions overhead. The new dual battery design increases flight time, hitting a maximum of 27 minutes when using the X4S camera, and also provides battery redundancy. Self-heating systems mean the Inspire 2 can be flown in extreme cold. The Zenmuse X5S Micro Four Thirds camera now has a 20.8 megapixel sensor with better pixel performance. It is capable of capturing 5.2K at 30 frames per second, as well as 4K at 60 frames per second. It also supports Cinema DNG and ProRes recording.
And you just kind of look at it and you go, like, that's really small, but how can this little small thing give these big results? Normally I wouldn't think of using a drone for normal shots, but kind of made this really simple shot easily, and look great. And I'm telling you, I'm really picky.
The Inspire 2 is DJI Focus compatible for precision focus control. A broad range of Micro Four Thirds lenses are also supported, including zooms from 9mm to 45mm.
The 45 is pretty beautiful on this camera. We use that a lot for close-ups and has a great depth of field and just makes me feel like, that's kind of cinematic for me.
The Inspire 2 image processor, known as CineCore 2.0, offers Cinema DNG, ProRes, H.264 and H.265 recording onto a detachable PCIe SSD drive with a maximum read and write speed of 6 gigabits per second or a micro SD card. ProRes is a widely used delivery method for post-production, offering flexibility for editing while not compromising image quality. But to get the absolute most out of what you shoot, the Inspire 2 also captures RAW.
Acquiring content on RAW just gives you more information to work with in your post-process. The RAW native Cinema DNG format gives you the most dynamic range possible of that camera. Basically takes full advantage of the sensor and everything that it can see.
There isn't one shot that we compromised for detail, for color purity, for separation of images, for black, for low light detail, highlight detail. Boy, I never could have told you that this particular footage came from a drone. It's just too good.
New intelligent modes, including Spotlight Pro and Profile, make cinematic shots easier for production teams and even for single operators. Spotlight Pro keeps the camera locked on the subject, rotating beyond 360 degrees to fix the target in frame as the Inspire flies. While Profile mode turns the camera to capture the subject's profile as the Inspire flies forward. By maintaining forward flight, obstacle sensing systems are able to protect the aircraft. The onboard FPV camera separates the flight view from the main camera view, effectively giving the Inspire 2 a dedicated tap fly camera. Just tap on the screen to fly in that direction and focus on camera control. During return to home, the primary camera with a maximum sensing range of 200 meters is used to effectively avoid obstructions. Live TV broadcasting has also been enabled natively through an optimized broadcast mode that streams smooth video at the 1080i 50 and 720p 60 live broadcast standard. The Inspire 2 brings better quality images, more power, and more intelligence to professional aerial filmmaking, setting the stage for more filmmakers to take to the sky.
passion for uncompromised image quality is the simple philosophy behind the Zenmuse X7. Together with the Inspire 2, it marks the next evolution in DJI's aerial imaging technology. The Inspire 2 has become a standard aerial platform used on film sets around the globe. The new Zenmuse X7 transforms it into the world's first fully integrated aerial platform featuring a Super 35mm sensor for video recording. The X7 offers video resolution of up to 6K. The high resolution not only provides incredible detail, but also allows reframing. The RAW and ProRes codecs integrate seamlessly into industry-standard post-production workflows. 14 stops of dynamic range enhance grading flexibility by preserving detail in shadow and highlight areas. The large sensor also enables filming with a cinematic shallow depth of field and low image noise. An ISO range of 100 to 25,600 makes it suitable for use in all lighting situations. The new DJI Cinema color system consists of two parts: an updated D-log curve for extended dynamic range and a D-gamut RGB color space for preserving maximum color information.
When I first took a look at this X7 footage, it really has a color fidelity there. So the dynamic range of colors that it can reproduce, and I can push the grades around pretty hard, and I still don't get noise with this camera.
The superb picture quality of the Zenmuse X7 is an asset on every film set. A new EI mode makes it easy to match with different cameras used for TV series, commercials and documentaries, as well as for feature films. DJI also proudly introduces the world's first aerial lens mount system, the DL mount. The ultra-short flange distance allows a compact lens design. DJI offers 4 prime lenses specifically built for the X7, with focal lengths of 16, 24, 35 and 50 millimeters. Made with carbon fiber, they're lightweight and durable. The advanced optical elements deliver brilliant image quality. The X7 also captures stunning DNG RAW or JPEG still pictures with a resolution of 24 megapixels. With its sturdy build, the X7 was made for professional cinematography and ambitious aerial stills photographers. It replaces large and difficult-to-use aerial solutions even on high-end film productions.
When I think of the X7, I just think of just the endless amount of possibilities that cinematographers and directors can craft their movie with shots that they may not have even thought was possible before.
The Zenmuse X7 is a top-of-the-line professional filmmaking tool, making it possible for creators to focus on capturing their unique vision of the world. A world that now looks better than ever before.